Well, hello again, YouTube. Just gonna take you a walk about, show you our little farm. Right here is our miniature apple tree. Back over there, they call them black locusts. They're an invasive species of a tree that it's hard to get rid of. This is our train yard where they fix the box cars. You can see them in the back. That's annoying sometimes. Don't mind the trailers on the side. Those are, you know, I'll have to tell you on another time. We just had, a few weeks ago, we had Mama, what kind of tree was it that we had cut down? We had a 40-year-old sycamore we finally took down. There was one right there that we took down. Back over here, sorry for the glare. I'm trying to get it focused. Here's is what the last one looked like, and right over there is, let me get a little closer. Right there is the other one we had cut down. This is our little pasture. Ain't much, but it can hold some animals. We're in the process of right now of getting everything back up and running. New fence. I've been for the last couple years with my brother's love helping, letting us use his weed eater last year, and then he just gifted it us this year. I've been trying to knock down all that stuff way in the back. Let me zoom it. Yeah, it's taken me 2 years to finally, I'm almost completely done. Back over there, let me get a little closer, is our miniature orchard. Let me zoom into that. Our miniature little orchard, something my mom always have wanted. Farm has been in our family for 40 years plus. Okay, let me zoom out because and there's our laying hens. Gotta have them on a farm. And I'll take you over here. Take you way over here. I gotta be careful because we're still trying to put grass back in. It's coming along, but here's some of the wood that's been stacked from that last sycamore. Over here is the family, veggie garden. Let me get a little closer so I can show you. Sorry if it's a little bouncy, but you do what you gotta do. See, here's our veggie garden. Veggie garden. And veggies over there. We got vegetables right here. Vegetables right there. And yeah, like I said, I just came all through here this week and just took the weed eater that we were gifted and just mowed. Here's some more of our vegetables right here. I cannot believe how good our corn is doing. And this is the first time we've grown corn on the farm since my papa's been passed. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will be uploading some stuff like this and video games, and talking about life. So please like, subscribe, comment, share. It helps build my channel. Have a great day.